Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Botany Insider's new free class session. Let's wait for others to join in, then we'll start off with our class, right? So we'll be discussing about few more previous year questions. Just confirm whether the audio and the video is clear to you or not. Those of you who are there in the class right now. Good evening, Lina. So let's begin with the class now. First thing first, we have a PYQ course running for you all. So those of you who are targeting the December examination, you can enroll in this particular course. This will help you to understand the questions in a very detailed manner. The link is in the description box. You can check that out and get yourself enrolled. In addition, we have a course price offer going on right now for the hard copy notes. So the sale price for this is 999 only for today. Today is the last day for this particular offer. Those of you who wish to get your hard copies specifically curated for the December 2023 examination, you can get yourself hands on these particular notes. You can download our application, and like the link is in the description box. You can download the application and place your orders for these, right? In addition, we have a full course, crash course, all these things running. Let's begin with the class. This is the very first question for you all. Give it a try. Several proteins are modified by the phosphorylation at the specific amino acid residues to alter their activities. Which of the following amino acid is not typically the site of phosphorylation in the proteins? Give it a try, everyone. Very simple question. Write out, mark the answers in the chat section, everyone. Simple question. It's a very simple question. First option is lysine, second is serine, third is threonine, and fourth one is tyrosine. So when you look into the answer for this question, this one is from unit number 1, that is your biochemistry. In addition to that, like from biochemistry, the names of the amino acids you can get to know, and this is specifically from the post translational modification concept, right? When we discuss about the central dogma, in that the last concept is your post translational modification. So in that we discuss about this segment. So answer for this is option number A, that is lysine is not a common site for the phosphorylation of protein. Except for this, serine, threonine, tyrosine, all these are site of phosphorylation. Okay, common sites of phosphorylation. Correct answer for this is option number A, that is lysine. Okay, keep a note of it. It's very important, very easy concept, and this was a latest year paper. Next question, which of the following is not a characteristic feature of aquaporins? First thing first, what are aquaporins? So aquaporins are water channel forming, right? These are the water channels that help in the transportation of water from one of the end to the other end, from let's say inside the water to out, inside of the cell to outside, or the vice versa. You need to find out which of the following statement is not a characteristic feature of aquaporins. First option is that they are the integral members of protein in the major intrinsic protein family. Second option is they are absent in bacteria. Third option, they are highly conserved ASN, that is asparagine, proline, and alanine. Triad of the residues is present in the N-terminal half of the protein. Then you have a highly conserved NPA again present in the C-terminal half of the protein. When you look into this particular question, this one is from unit number 2, that is your cell biology. Simple question. Answer for this particular question is option number B. They are not absent in bacteria, they are present in bacteria. Okay, keep a note of it. Very easy, very simple question. You can like remember about this, and it is like a number of times this particular thing has been repeated. Okay, so remember this. This is again a previous year question, the latest year question. Let's do one more. One more question is, which of the following statement is true? This question is related to your fundamental processes, unit number 3. Question is, which of the following statement is true? Okay. First option is the A, B, Z are DNA helix are left-handed. Then you have A and B DNA helix being right-handed and Z being the left-handed. Then A and Z being the left-handed, B being the right-handed. Then you have A, B helix are left-handed, and then you have Z being the right-handed. This one is a simple question. Question is related to, you need to recall your concept related to the helix concept, right? When we discuss about unit number 3's initial concept, initial main segment related to this, you get the correct answer very, very easily. Very good. Yes, the correct answer is option number B. That is A and B helix are right-handed and Z is a left-handed. So the most important characteristic feature of the Z helix is that it is a left-handed DNA, right? And except for this, A and B are right-handed. Very good. B is the correct answer for this question. Simple question. Let's do one more. Question is, introns in the eukaryotic genes are found in which of the following? Like you need to find out that introns are found in which of the followings. When we look into RNA processing concept in the central dogma, over there we discuss about the process of or the concept of splicing, where the introns are removed off and the exons are then added on, and introns, all the exons are joined together. So this is the process of splicing. So they're asking you about that introns are found in which of the type of RNAs. We have 3 major type of RNAs, rRNA, then you have tRNA, and then you have mRNA, right? You need to find out, or they are asking you in which of them do you have the introns being present, right? Which is the non-coding segment. You need to find out the correct answer for this one. Very, very easy question. Very good correct answer. D is the correct answer for this particular question. All the 3 type of DNAs, that the RNAs that we have, be it the rRNA, tRNA or mRNA, all of them have the introns present in that. Very good. Latest year question. D is the correct answer for this question, right? Remember about this. D is the correct answer. Remember. Let's do one more question and then we'll end the class. Select the group of plants that are known to have increased the amount of the vascular tissues by the means of secondary growth from the vascular cambium. So with the help of the vascular cambium, how do we have increase in the growth of their secondary, like how do we have their secondary growth shown? So in which group of plants do we see that? First one is gymnosperms, then is dictyosomes, dicotyledons, then you have dicots and monocots, last is dicots and your gymnosperm. Again, easy question. This one is from plant classification concept. Easy again. This is from plant classification concept. Easy question. If you know the answer, mark it quickly. Otherwise, I'll let you know the answer for the same. These all are the previous year, like the latest year question. Very, very easy questions. Yes, the correct answer for this is dicotyledons and gymnosperms. Very good. D is the correct answer for this particular question. That is, dicotyledons and gymnosperms, they have their secondary growth seen from the vascular cambium as a result of the like because of the vascular cambium growth, they have the secondary growth seen in them, right? Very easy question. I hope it's clear. Like all the questions that I have taken up today, these are theory segment. Okay. Remember about this. Let's do one more question. Which of the following is typically not a product of fermentation? Okay. Which of the following is not a product of fermentation? Yes, Sweet Leena Sahu, we have a complete course for the previous years. Like we discuss every single day these questions in our course in a detailed manner. Like over here, we are getting the complete concept done in the previous year course that we have. It's a complete detailed course. Every single day we have classes in that on our application. So in that we practice out the questions. Everyone give it a try to this question. Easy one. You can check the answer in the, like you can check the complete course in the description box. Okay. We have a complete, like a number of courses running. You can check that. Let me share the link as well to you. You can download our app and get to know about it. Everyone mark the answer. Very good. Others also mark the answer for this. I have shared the link of the course as well. You can check. Yes, the correct answer for this is option number D, that is green tea. Okay. You can give it a try. Like it's, these are very, very simple questions, very direct, straightforward questions, which gets repeatedly asked in the examination. Okay. Yes, you can use this particular course for your GATE botany as well. Every single concept, like whatever is asked in GATE examination, all these things get covered in the course as well. So don't worry, you can have this particular course. D is the correct answer. Give it a try to this question, everyone. Which of the following class of the plant secondary metabolites is present specifically in the order Brassiales? So are you targeting the CSIR examination or the GATE examination, Sweet Lena? Everyone give it a try to this question. Those of you who are there in the class right now. Which of the following class of the plant secondary metabolites is present specifically in the order Brassiales? Very simple question. Okay, then this course will help you. So you can come in the crash course then. You can come in the crash course then. It will help you out. Download our application. The link is in the description box and you can come in the crash course. You'll get the notes as well and you'll get all the classes link as well. Good evening, Madhukar. Everyone mark the answer. I've shared the link for the crash course as well. You can check. Everyone mark the answer for this. Madhukar mark the answer for the question. Others also, those of you who are there in the class, mark the answer for this. Sweetlina, this crash course will help you because many GATE targeting students are coming in this crash course itself because they want to get done with the botany and the various other contents which is overlapping with CSIR. So you can come in this crash course. It will help you. You can contact me personally as well on WhatsApp. After the class, WhatsApp me on this number. I'll help you. Everyone mark the answer. Only three of you have marked the answer till now. Easy question. Very good, Madhukar. Yes, the answer for this particular question is glycosinolates. A is the correct answer for this particular question. These glycosinolates belong to the Brassiales family. Okay, very, very easy question. And this was asked in the June 2023 questions. Okay, in the June 2023 morning shift paper, this particular, all these questions were asked, all the questions that I am taking up today. One more question, give it a try to this, everyone. I have bought 10 questions in total. In the eukaryotic genes, the DNA sequences that define the gene promoter occurs. Where do you see the gene promoter sequences occurring? First option is only in the region of upstream of the transcription start site, then only in the region that represents the transcribed part of the genes, then only in the region downstream of the transcription termination site, then either in the region upstream of the transcription start site or within the transcribed region. Mark the answer for this question, everyone. Think about it, very, very easy. We learn about this promoter concept in your operons, the lac operon and the trip operon, and also during the translation time in the central dogma. Mark the answer for the question, everyone. Okay, others also give it a try. Read the question carefully. Sometimes the correct looking option is incorrect. So you have to read it properly to get the final correct answer. One more minute, then we'll understand this question. Very easy. Where do you see the gene promoters? Only in the upstream region, only in the transcribed part, only in the downstream region, or both, either in the upstream region or in the transcribed part. Answer is option number D. D is the correct answer for this particular question. That is, the DNA sequences that define the gene promoters occurs either in the upstream region of the transcription start site or within the transcribed region of the gene. Okay. Remember about this. Both of you got the answer incorrect. So make sure that you remember this information, and this might be repeated again in the examination. Oh, clear, everyone? This was like asked previously as well in the exam, and this was again a repeated thing. So chances of getting this concept repeated again is high. Understood? Yes or no? Quickly. Okay, let's do one more question. Give it a try to this question, everyone. Which of the following option below is not desirable when setting up nature reserve in the tropics? You need to find out which of the following is not a desirable option if we are setting up nature's reserve in the tropics. First option is reserve that are linked to each other by corridors, then reserves that are surrounded by a buffer zone, then high edge to area ratio, then circular shaped reserves. Try marking the answer for this. You have to find out which of the following is not a desirable characteristic if we are setting up nature's reserve in the tropics. Mark the answer for the question, everyone. Easy question. This is from Ecology You can like consider this question from ecology or from diversity of life forms. Both the topic, like this topic is common from both the years, both the units. Mark the answer quickly, everyone. Which of the following is not a desirable? It's not desirable when we are setting up nature's reserve in the tropics. Mark the answer quickly. Very good. Very good. Others also give it a try. Very good, Madhukar. Make sure you all download our application. The link is in the description box. And if any one of you wants to join in any of the course, the most important course for you now will be the PYQ course. And if you're going ahead with the GATE examination, then the crash course can also help you out, because in the crash course, you will get all the topics for your other segment as well, for your GATE exam as well. So, and you'll get hard copy notes as well in the crash course. So those of you who wish to enroll, you can use the link that I've given you and you can get yourself enrolled in the same. Mark the answer for the question. Okay, let's see. Yes, the correct answer for this particular question is option number C itself. High edge to area ratio of the reserve is not a desirable characteristic when we are setting up nature's reserve in the tropics. Okay, remember about this. Very easy, very important. Keep a note of this, right? So these are the questions that I have brought up today. Make sure that you go through these questions in the recorded part as well. Also, those of you who wish to get your hard copy notes, the sale price ends today at 12 in the night, in midnight. So those of you who want to enroll in the course and want to have the notes booklet for the upcoming examination, you can get it for 999. Actual price or the pricing from tomorrow will be back to normal 1600. Course price for like the sale price for this particular thing for the remaining 4-5 hours is 999 itself. If you want, you can grab the offer. The link is in the description box. Get yourself enrolled in this thing and it will be very, very beneficial, because more than 300 students have already like got these things. So those of you who wish to have, you can get it and it will be very, very helpful. Okay. This is about it. Let's meet in the next class. I'll be arranging many more sessions. So those of you who want to enroll, you can make sure that you come in the live classes. Okay. In addition, Svetlana, you can check the entire thing and WhatsApp me after the class for